model, 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 316 CDI no VAT injector issue bargain 1 owner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 121998. MOT, the 28th of July 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MG3 163. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Intermittent single injector misfiring. Slight shake from engine suspect. It needs at least one injector. Engine still starts and sounds perfect. Should be a simple repair. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, sat-nav, cruise control, 3 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,150 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.